Hazrat Saeed bin Jubair narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, one day the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to us and said, some peoples have been presented to me. So one or two Prophets alayhimussalam accompanied by a group of people passed by, and there was a Prophet accompanied by none. Then a huge gathering of the people was shown to me, which had screened the horizon. I said, perhaps it is my ummah. It was said, he is Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam and his ummah. It was then said, look at the horizon. So I cited such a huge group of the people as has covered the horizon. It was said, it is your ummah, and 70,000 of them will enter paradise without any reckoning. The people dispersed, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not disclose who would be those people. The people thereafter started arguing, we are those people. For though we were born in period of polytheism, but we believed in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or they are our descendants. When it reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came out and said, they are those people who do not believe in bad omen, nor do use the spell, nor do get themselves cauterized. Rather they trust in their Lord. Thereupon Hazrat Ukasha bin Mihsan submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, am I one of them? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. Thereafter another companion got up and submitted, am I one of them? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Ukasha has preceded you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5752.